Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's March 16th and we're out here planting our rhubarb. So let's take a look at what's going on. Now, a lot of you would probably like to go down to the local big box store or order online and buy you some rhubarb by the roots. But these were all grown from seed. These were planted at the end of last year. Of course, I keep them in the greenhouse, but they just got to be kept so they don't get too cold, and then they need plenty of sunshine. But what I'm doing, I'm planting these, and I just make my hole here, kind of get it close. We're going to take this out. Now this thing is it's probably about time it wants to come out of this pot. Maybe it don't want to come out of the pot. I don't like squeezing the sides, but we'll do that to get this thing out because it loosens the dirt. But these things have been kind of growing through the winter. You can see they've got real good roots. They really want to go into the ground. Now you don't want to plant these no deeper than the crown, or this part here needs to be at soil level. We've actually put fertilizer in the hole, stirred it up, and then we're going to plant that there, and then we're going to come back. And this is organic fertilizer. It's pelleted chicken litter, and it's going to act like a slow release fertilizer. Now I'm going to put this on the top. It'll water in and it'll keep filtering down. There'll be some in the bottom, but we'll go through this process for the way I'm doing it here. And make sure you weed while you're going through here. You won't have to come back right off and weed. Now what I do is I build my beds out of compost, and I do have a new layer here, and then I have my old layer that's still going real good, and I try to pull it back. That way I won't have seeds to generate up on the top. Now we'll put some fertilizer in here, and we're just going to mix this in. It's not going to hurt it if it is on the roots, but the main thing we want to do is just kind of spread it out a little bit. I don't recommend synthetic or chemical fertilizers. No liquid fertilizers, none of the ones that a lot of the commercial growers grow. And we're just going to push that back. And we're going to take this out here, and hopefully this one will come out easier. That's the way it should. This thing is really wanting to grow. It's got a good root system on it. And the thing about these now, they tell you when you buy roots, don't harvest them the first year. When they're done like this, they'll grow so big that you can harvest in that year. Now, I lost all mine last year. I did get a harvest off them, but the heat was too much. So I've changed the position. I put them where the greenhouse is right behind over here. And then my tree line will get some early shade in the evening. And if I have to, I'll go ahead and put shade cloth over this to ensure that they don't get too much heat. But it's not a big thing. But like say, I recommend you grow your own rhubarb from seed. It's not a hard process. Even if you're going to grow it during the spring season, maybe you get ready to start it now, you won't be able to harvest it this year, but you can get it established and then you can harvest some of it next year. But anyway, I hope this short video is helpful. And of course, if you're not a subscriber, you want to see more of these videos, well, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all. Give her a big thumbs up. That always helps. And share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.